I'm in the process of preparing this Dieffenbachia for my neighbor, and I had two, and I have very limited space in terms of windows that have sun, and I don't have grow lights. So every year I like to share my plants with my friends. The other day I showed you my eternity plant. Well, I already mentioned this is the Dieffenbachia. And so what I did was I took it out of its pot. This is the pot she gave me to use. And I completely cleaned the roots. And I was surprised how many bugs were in there. Well, the reason I'm showing you this is because I was using this little sprayer, trying to rinse off the remnants of any dirt that was on the back side of these leaves. And my hand got so tired, and I remembered that I had this Dollar Tree spray nozzle. This thing has been great. As you know, Dollar Tree, everything's $1, right? So when I purchased it, I didn't expect very much because it's entirely plastic. I'm not sure this is some kind of metal here, but it's not like steel or anything. But this has been great. The one caveat the clerk mentioned as she was packaging this up was to make sure that I tighten this little valve, the screw here, because it can pop off. I used it the entire summer, did not have any problem. This thing is a very robust sprayer, and I'm going to show you here. Now I have it on low because I don't want to damage this plant, and it has various settings. I think there's like 3. Oops. So there's another setting there. But this thing is really cool. And you can also have like a single stream, like right there. So for the money, you certainly can't beat it. And then let me just show you here. And I have the water on low. And it's completely cleaning that. So this little plastic spray nozzle is well worth the money. Miss Linda over at the New Orleans Garden, she's a New Orleans gardener, and she has gotten so many beautiful bulbs for her garden, flower bulbs, and she's always mentioning the Dollar Tree, and I do go there, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have nearly the offerings that hers does. But this is one thing that I did pick up at the beginning of the summer, and I wanted to share that with you.